All of these products are used in the AI data center. As you can see, the application 1 and the application 2, you can see the real reality application. We receive large numbers of orders from 125 amperes plugs and shortkeys and the 63 amperes industrial plugs with the cables, and you can see we got the approval from the customers. If you have any ideas and want to discuss with us about the industrial plugs or shortkeys, please contact us.